Here's a good mystery. I took this tire out. It has a slow leak. It had some patches, small patches, see, from rust on the inside of the rim. So there's the small patches there. But what I didn't expect was that in the bottom here, I can feel what seems to be a rock or two inside the tire. You can see right there. And it's quite large. It's bigger than the patch. So we're going to find out what that is. So hold on here while I put the camera down. Can't really use this tire again, so we'll cut it open. But there's, like I said, it's holding air right now, as you can see, so there's no slice in it to put those rocks or whatever they are inside this tire. And there they are right there. Right there. Polished up, no doubt. So I'm going to cut this open. I put a Metzler ME77 on my bike today, which is a pretty good tire, 19-inch. Peel off this patch here and make sure the okay. There we go. Now this is the biggest tear in the whole tire inner tube, right there. This little opening there. So I'm going to cut that opening open and find out what's inside this tire. Very, very strange. And they are very polished Chinese rocks. Now, actually they're not rocks. It's some kind of rubber. Some kind of alien rubber. Now, perhaps this is instant tire repair that has become chunkified. Nonetheless, very, very strange. Thousands of miles on those little rocks inside that tire. Expect the unexpected. Don't use tire sealant. I think that's probably what it is.